This foggy glass text effect is cozy, nostalgic, and super easy to create in Affinity. You will need to download the 2 exercise images that I have linked in the YouTube description, so go ahead and download those before we get started. And while you're down there, feel free to give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. If you are new here, my name is Erin, a formerly self-taught designer turned university professor with 10 years of experience working with clients. All right, go ahead and open up your landscape image in Affinity. I've tried this effect on a variety of images, and it seems to look best over simple sunset images with pink and purple hues. Once you have your image open, use the key command Command or Control J to duplicate the layer. With the top layer selected, at the bottom of your Layers panel, click on the Effects icon, check Gaussian Blur, and set the blur radius to 10 pixels. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click on this circle to add a new adjustment layer and select Curves. When this window pops up, grab this line and bring it down to darken the image. About right here is good. You can X out and then drag your Curves layer between your 2 image layers. Now go to File, Place, and grab your glass texture image, click Open, and then click and drag so that when it places into Affinity, it covers the entire artboard. Drag it to the top of the Layers panel, set the blend mode to Overlay, and drop the opacity to 50%. Put the glass layer and the copy of the sunset layer, which should be right below it, into their own group by holding down Shift to select both of them. Then going to the bottom of the Layers panel and selecting this folder icon. With the group selected, at the bottom of the Layers panel, click on this mask icon to put a mask on the entire group. Now grab your artistic type tool and go ahead and type in your word. I'm using the typeface Comica. Any font that is bold and has a handwritten look to it should work for this tutorial. And once you have your font scaled and positioned where you would like, hold down Control or Command on your keyboard, and while you're doing that, click on the text thumbnail. That will select the shape of your text. On the left side of the text layer, click on this eye icon to hide it. Now underneath of it, select the layer mask icon attached to the group, grab your flood fill tool, set the color to black, and fill it in. And now you have masked out a part of the image. You can use the key command, Command or Control D, to deselect. If you feel like you need a little more contrast between the 2 images, you can open up Curves and drag the curves down a bit to get a little more contrast. You can also select the mask and then hit V on your keyboard to grab your Move tool and move the letters around to position them exactly where you would like. For a final touch, use the keyboard shortcut B on your keyboard to grab your brush tool, scale your brush down pretty small, set the fill color to black, make sure the hardness is at 100%, and this is where you can paint in some condensation drips. I hope you enjoyed this video. I make free graphic design tutorials every week, and the best way that you can show your appreciation is to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial. See you next week.